It was a quiet evening on Willowberry Lane, and the stars were just starting to wake in the velvety blue sky. In her cozy bedroom, a little girl with big blue eyes and soft blonde hair sat on her bed, hugging her fluffy panda friend, Pippin. He was medium-sized, round as a pillow, and wonderfully cuddly, with ears that wiggled whenever he felt excited or nervous. The girl held her glowing star lantern, letting its warm golden light spill across the room. "Pippin," she whispered, "do you think dreams ever come visit us?" Pippin tilted his head, ears wiggling thoughtfully, and answered with a tiny MRRP. She giggled. But suddenly the lantern flickered. Flickered again. Then blossomed into a soft, sparkling glow. A warm swirl of starlight drifted from the lantern and spilled across the floor, forming a shimmering moonlit path that curled upward, straight into her closet door. Slowly, gently, the door creaked open, revealing not coats or boots, but a soft silver light, glowing like the inside of a dream. The girl gasped. "I think a dream just to visit us." Pippin's legs trembled, but he bravely stepped closer. The girl took his paw, and together they followed the moonlit path into the glowing light. Warm air brushed past them. When the brightness faded, they found themselves standing in a twilight meadow filled with pale blue grass that shimmered like frost. Round lantern-like flowers blinked open as they passed, casting small halos of light. Fireflies' sparks floated lazily around them. Pippin immediately rolled onto his back, kicking his paws as the fuzzy grass tickled him. The girl laughed and helped him stand, but then... Hic! A strange chime sounded from above. They looked up. The moon hung low in the sky, so close it looked touchable, but it was shaking, trembling, like it had swallowed a giggle. Another chiming hiccup echoed through the meadow. Suddenly, a tiny silver creature zipped past them. A Moon Sprite, no bigger than Pippin's head, flitted anxiously in front of them with wings made of moonlight. "Oh, dear. Children.
Dreamwalkers," she squeaked.
Thank goodness you came. The moon has the hiccups, and if we don't calm it, the night will wobble apart." "The moon has hiccups?" the girl whispered. Pippin made a worried MRRPH. The sprite pointed to a hill where floating stones drifted upward like a staircase made of clouds. "You must climb to the moon," she said, "but be careful. The steps wobble." The girl squeezed Pippin's paw.